So we have done our earlier video to introduction of Python, how Python works, what is the features and property of Python. So this video, I recommend you to first you need to just start writing your Python code with the using of text file. So how you write your code into text file, so and run with the using of Python in your local machine. So first of all, you need to just create a one text file. So I am taking a fresh text file. So here is a first fresh text file. So I am writing the code of print. You can write any kinds of script or code. Print AI. So I have written of my YouTube channel name AI Nikhil Model, and I will save this text file with extension of py, which use for Python. So I am taking as new is my file name, and py.py will let you know that it is a Python file. So you have to just save it. After saving, you will just see it here. One Python file is created, new.py, with the using of a text file. So how to run this file? Inside this code, we have written our channel name. So you can just come into the CMD and write just CMD. You have to redirect with desktop with this path because our file is present in desktop. So it's redirected to desktop. Now we can just run this file. So for run this file, you need to just write Python first and then file name. File name would be new.py. So now you able to see this AI Nikhil ModelMind is our channel name. We have written the same code into text editor and made one file with the using of python.py extension, and with the using of uh, Python install in local machine, you can just do it like this. Now you can check your version of Python in your, like this is a version of 3.1 3.7. So after that, if you want to exit with Python in your CMD, you can write the code of exit. Exit is a function where Python will execute, and exit will work for exit this Python environment. So now you will see that it's outside of this Python environment, and now you can do whatever code you can written, and you can make changes according to your things. So this is the our first program, how to run Python file with the using of text editor. So thank you everyone.